dictionaries come with many symbols that we can use in our charts, but on occasion we might want to create our own symbols. In this case I've added stylolite, which I want to appear on my data panel. I come to my Graphic Dictionary, I click the New button, and the pattern editor opens. I add the name of my new symbol, an abbreviation, and then in this box I can create the new symbol. So in this case I'm going to use a very simple lined drawing, and when I'm happy with this I can click OK, and the new symbol is now added to my Graphic Dictionary. When I come back to my chart and refresh, the symbol now appears.